say every year, you know, we're here to help people that are in a difficult place, and it's just great to be fit and healthy enough, even though I am trying to take the Knievel theme a bit too far at the moment. But it's just nice to be fit and healthy enough to go out there and help people that unfortunately can't get out there and do these things themselves.
Now from the same angle, in slow motion. And here's the point where Evel Knievel's got to make up speed and be the only man in the place who really wants to miss that last bus. And he comes out of the saddle as he's about to make his takeoff, perhaps not fast enough, and catches this little tiny bridge between the last bus and the landing ramp. And that's what causes the trouble. And there he gets that trampoline effect, desperately hanging on to the bike. Somersaults over rather painfully, obviously, and this attraction, this magnetic attraction between man and machine. He's going away and the bike is following him, and he's trapped by it, and there's obviously this is what's caused the injuries, and his legs trapped underneath the bike. And now the first time, this head-on in normal speed. Dramatic shot of the trampoline in effect. Now let's look at this dramatic shot head-on in slow motion and see exactly now what causes the problem. He doesn't quite make the landing ramp with his back wheel, and you see this springboard effect that he gets with that gap. And there it is, gripping those handlebars, trying hard to get away from the bike. And there you see him tumbling away, but the bike almost crawling after him and crushing into him. And it really does take a man with a special brand of courage to come back after this.
Knievels on the Tour of Wales, and the Guinness Record attempt.